Working with Live View opens up for an easy way of focusing and composing your images. With the controls available in the camera tool, you have full control of your camera when it's connected to Capture One. Activate Live View. The performance and feature set of Live View will vary depending on available light, aperture and camera model. Lock the orientation if needed. To get perfect focus, zoom into 100% by double-clicking. Adjust the focus manually or enable autofocus to control it using the camera focus tool. The camera settings tool shows the connected camera's current settings. Available settings vary depending on the camera model. Search for settings for instant access. Grids and guides are available for composition purposes. Add horizontal and vertical guides and drag them to align. If you need to align your composition to a specific layout, for example a magazine, you can add an image as an overlay.